My name is Filmington, aka Venny-Beachy. And I just want to first give a shout out to my brother Brett, all those who rest in peace from Dogtown, all the folks, Venice Originals, you know, Venice Paparazzi. Yo, Venice, check this out. Your apprentice is here, man. The wind, it's not so bad unless you out there in a parachute or something and you're gonna get eaten by a shark. But other than that, it's a beautiful day because you get to smell your cologne that you pay for all summer long and you have to sweat. And the air's breezy. It's the canals. Off the glacier, look, give them a shot of the sun. Let them see it. Let them see the glacier. Let them see the clouds. Just don't have no stinking breath. Make sure you brush your teeth, because when the wind blows, it'll smell your breath. Just make sure you put some deodorant on, some cologne on, because every day's a vacation in Venice. Every day. Disneyland can't touch us. You get 1 million people a day, and everybody gets paid out here, man. It's a blessing. It's God's village, man. Welcome to paradise, y'all. Venice, coming soon. Venny-Beachy comic, FilmingtonTunes.tv. Shout out to Venice, man. Originals. Peace.